tracks. Hi, I'm so excited for you to come by for more adventures with me. Oh, let's have fun! Yeah!
Hello, train.
Hello, train. I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go down that way. Wait. You know what would be a lot easier than us just ramming into each other? What if we built a whole track?
Oh, yeah.
And then we could each take a turn. Alright, let's get some tracks. What is that?
That's a part of a bridge.
Ooh. And what is that?
That's Bria. I just call that.
Does that fit? Oh, so in other words, I can do that.
But you know, you
Can I
have
put
to
the long
play
one?
here too. There's multiple of these.
So what is this?
It's a curve, a
Oh.
tiny one.
And what is this?
That's a tiny straight or medium straight. We have tiny ones.
What is, whoa!
Look. And it's kind of like a danger set. Do you know why?
Why?
If something goes right here,
Whoa!
and it goes the opposite way instead of going all the way up. That's a long, that's another curve. Then we have one. The curve is backwards.
Oh, wait a second now. This one, the train goes straight up, right?
No,
What do we do with this?
this is so straight. It can go two ways. 1 and 2. Look, I'll show you. 1 and 2. Well, but it can't go in the middle because it'll just go off track.
So I can go this way, and you can go that way.
Okay.
Go.
Wow.
I'm catching up to you.
We need one of these connectors.
Wait a minute. What the heck happened to this one?
Hey, we can do it like that.
Ah.
Woohoo!
No, wait a second. How am I supposed to connect these two?
With a little bone.
Oh? How does that work?
Get there! Get there!
And what's this called?
A bone.
Oh.
Yeah. And these things are very important because whenever you have these two, you can connect them with these. So we have to have more than one of these.
Another two-way.
This is not just a normal two-way like that one. This one's it's an uppy left. It's an up left.
So I can build out this way and go this way. And this one can connect to there.
Yeah.
Here, hop on that side. So we'll build that way, right?
We need 5 more of these tinies.
What do we do?
We need 4 of these to go this way. And we need this one too. Oh, we don't need this.
Very good. In
But
that case,
look.
Oh.
But there's another piece for that.
All right.
We can also put it here and put it right there.
Ah, perfect.
It's an offset this. It's an offset
Wait.
this.
I got it.
Yeah. I go there. Yeah.
Ah, go.
We also expect this. Goes longer. Okay, would you get that piece over there for me so it gets split to 2?
Good thinking.
Yeah.
We'll try it out.
Okay, we might need something a little bigger than these.
Okay, good point. Let's keep that over there for the moment.
Okay, we found more trains. We have a lot of trains.
Get that away.
This is a splitter.
How do you make it?
It's so these two pieces, but they can't be all the way. I can tell. So they can do this to do that. My favorite title. I see you. And the a bridge.
This is the Golden Gate Bridge.
Okay, it does. I think it's supposed to be that. Just right.
What is that? Oh, it's a bench.
It's a bench. This is a bench right here, and this is a train way. It goes right here to wherever a train goes.
Oh, look at the little ones.
These are very useful. Boop. Boop,
And
boop, 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 boop.
what are these?
These are supports.
Oh.
Just like the Brios, yes, a little different.
Just like this.
Yeah. We can pull that seat down right there, but not those.
The mail there. Look.
Okay, this is a tiny version of this. Ooh,
Nice.
ventilated.
May I try a train on it?
Yeah. Okay, doo-doo. Of course it is. Whee! And look. Boop, 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 boop.
Up, down, up, down.
This is when there's something big, it can't go. But when it's up, it could. I'll demonstrate. See? I can't go! I can't go! Boop. Yeah,
Here, let me try.
I'm not trying.
You send the car through, and I'll pull it up. Here, back up a little bit. All right. Can you see it?
I can't go!
Whoa! You see it? We just made it.
Yeah.
Now you can't go down here.
Like this.
Does it work like that? Let's see.
Why would it?
Ta-da! Mommy found bridges.
These are. Whoa. I thought this was lava.
We have a yellow one.
There's a boy there.
There you go. Hey, look, twins.
Yeah.
Well, not exactly, but yes.
Twins! Different kinds. I love how it has those pads.
Whoa.
This truck will probably not be done here. And this is a holder, like that.
Do we have we might as well do it this way just for demonstration.
Yeah, but how's this? Oh, wait.
Can you get this?
We have this. You can't. That's loose. You should have went this way.
All right.
Ah! Or maybe not. All right.
Come on.
But no, we don't need to.
Hold it still. Hold it still. Hold it still. Watch your knee. Ah.
We need
Almost
string.
got it. This one, nope, goes in the opposite direction. How about this way? Nope. Try that one.
Nope. Yes.
Yes? Ooh.
It's not with curves. Just have curves. No, this way.
Oh.
Ha! Eventually have it out there. We need two more, right?
you put in the Candyland people as Candyland as people next to the tree?
Yeah, these are stoppers.
For here.
Right here.
Really, it came from beneath the sea. Look. No,
Oh,
it's just
Daddy.
number 8.
I'll
Okay,
get
now you can do it.
Lucky number 7.
We love trains, we love number blocks, we love building, we love math.
We love everything.
Yeah, we love arts and crafts. We love it. Yeah. Hopefully we're going to share a lot of it with our YouTube friends. Number block 2 has rocks in it.
That's his hat.
It's very cute. I love number 2.
Accidentally.
Oh, wait. We need a pet shop.
Of course you do.
Right there, Harry? Yep.
Hey guys, these are just little boulders. Like everywhere, like old. Yeah, this already looks like a city. It's so busy.
You know what? I think this green car would like to visit the city. Vroom, vroom. Choo choo. Across the bridge.
That was
Down the bridge.
Oh,
You go in this shot.
we need to